Recently, Zomato के CEO दीपेंद्र गोयल ने ग्रेविटी एजिंग हाइपोथेसिस शेयर करी, वेर ही क्लेम्ड दैट इट्स ग्रेविटी जिसकी वजह से लोग एज करते हैं. मोर ओवर उनका ब्रेन एज करता है बिकॉज योर ब्लड हैज टू पंप अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटी, एंड इन दिस प्रोसेस इट डजंट गेट इनफ अमाउंट ऑफ ब्लड एंड ऑक्सीजन थ्रू इट्स लाइफ टाइम. Now, as someone who has spent years studying cardiovascular physiology, I want to call him out respectfully because he has not only committed a logical blunder here, but this clearly shows that he lacks the basics of physiology. So, firstly, what's the solution he is referring to? So, he is suggesting you to spend time upside down through doing headstands or using inversion tables. According to him, this will push more blood to your brain and eventually it will slow down the aging process. But spoiler alert, science doesn't support it. Your brain already gets the blood it needs no matter you are standing or lying down. And doctors have measured this thousands of times. Flip a healthy person upside down and they will still get the same steady supply of blood because of something known as cerebral autoregulation. Moreover, the distance gravity has to fight is tiny. From your heart to your brain, it's just about 20 to 30 centimeters. And your heart creates more than enough pressure to push the blood in that short distance against the gravity. Moreover, gravity is actually good because astronauts actually get too much blood supply in the head in this space, because in zero gravity the fluid floats upwards and many astronauts end up with having puffy faces and pressure behind their eyes, which can cause some serious vision problems. And as soon as they come back to the earth, the gravity pulls the fluid down and they're back to normal. So gravity is actually good. He also spoke about how yoga and headstands can be helpful here. But statistically speaking here, people who spend years doing headstands don't live dramatically longer. For sure, their spine feels better and they get a nice rush of blood flow, but we don't see them living up to 120 or 140 years of age. The caveat here is that a person who takes care of his health will definitely live longer, but correlation is not causation. Now, I want to conclude this video by stating that inversion is great. It can help your back, it can help your spine, and your brain also get a temporary rush of blood. Feels amazing if you ask me. But the idea that gravity is the hidden reason why we live only up to 80 or 90 years of age is illogical. It isn't backed by how the human body actually works. The bottom line here is keep training hard, keep lifting heavy, eat your protein, sleep well, take care of your deficiencies, and it will definitely add healthy years to your life. I hope you get my point. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then drop them below, and I'll see you in the next one.